Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn some basic Marathi word meanings. Let's start. We'll first see the English word and what's the meaning of that word in Marathi. Total we are going to learn 30 Marathi words. So let's start. First is you. You we say tu in Marathi. I it's me. Us or we it's आपण. Today is आज. Yesterday is काल. Tomorrow is उद्या. Inside is आत or आतमध्ये. Outside is बाहेर. Sunlight is ऊन. Rain is पाऊस. Wind is वारा. Ice is बर्फ. Water is पाणी. Tree is called झाड. Leaf is called पान or पानं. Let's go to the next set of words. Shadow is called सावली in Marathi. Shadow is called सावली. Morning is सकाळ. The letter is a bit difficult for the non-Maharashtrians to pronounce. So it is called सकाळ. Afternoon is दुपार. Night is रात्र. Rest or relaxing is called आराम. Bath is called स्नान किंवा अंघोळ. अंघोळ is another word which is used for bath. House is घर. Vehicle is गाडी. Stone is दगड. Clothes कपडे. Sun सूर्य. Moon चंद्र. Sunrise सूर्योदय. Sunset सूर्यास्त. Sea samudra. So these are all our 30 words for today, and thank you so much for watching.
कृपया लाईक, शेअर आणि सबस्क्राईब करा.